Next one is in non-static properties, non-static variable and non-static method. So how to create non-static variable? Non-static variable, or we can say it is called instance variables, b equal to 89 void access non-static method. So non-static variable and non-static method, or instance variable or instance method, we can call anything. Okay, so these are the two properties, and one more property is called main method. So main method is executed by default. Generally here I am not define any static block, so that's why it is executed main method. Next one, so by main method is executed by default JVM. So here one statement is there, that is a main method, this is output. Then after that I created one object of test class, but here there is no static blocks also, non-static blocks also, so those are not executed. Fine. So right now what is output here? Only main method only. So these are the non-static variable and non-static methods are not executed, okay, by default. If you call, then only this non-static variable and non-static methods are executed. So we are not calling here b variable and access method also, so that's why those are not executed. So first, right now what is output here? Only main method only. Okay, so how to call non-static variable and non-static method? How to call? Using object reference only. Okay, using object reference only. Okay, we can't call class name. Okay, so static variable and static methods are calling with class name also. Okay, but non-static variable and non-static methods are calling through object reference only. Okay, so how to call here? System.out.println t dot b and as well as t dot access, this is a calling. Okay, so b value I can call like with the object reference, and access method, non-static method also we can call with the object reference. So main method 99 and non-static method. Okay, so what is the difference between static variable and non-static variable, and static method and non-static method? Here what is the difference?
We can't call them non-static variables with class
Yeah,
names.
okay, so that is one thing, but main thing is static properties are application level properties. Okay, so if you create a variables, static variable, so those variables memory we can't clear. Okay, so but non-static
Those memory
variables,
variables.
non-static variables are we can clear through garbage collection.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, so this is how the memory is available in new in this area,
Okay,
object memory. Okay, so that object memory we can clear through garbage collection, but application level variable we can't clear. Okay, so a static variable memory is created in method area, object memory is clear in heap area. Heap area memory is clear, we can clear through garbage collection, but static variable memory we can't clear. Okay, static thing, the memory is static, here is we can clear through garbage collection.
okay.
So that's the reason, if you want to create any variable, take non-static variable. Okay, so if you want create any final properties, final variable means it's a fixed value. Okay, the username is fixed, the password is fixed, the URL is fixed. So in this situation we take one static final variables. Final means it's a fixed that value. Okay, constant values. In that situation we take static properties. Okay,
Okay,
in the future if it is changed the variable value, then we take non-static variable.
okay, sir.
Okay, so that is the main important. Okay, thank you.